Okay, this is homework number 9. All right, homework number 9. So on homework number 9, number 1, let's look at number 1. It says using the graph, determine the slope of line segment GH. So that long diagonal. So remember, we need to find points G and then point H. Okay, so point G is going -5 and then it goes up 5. So -5, comma 5. Point H is going over to the right 4 and down 2. So 4, -2. So now we just put in our formulas, right? So 5 minus -2 and -5 minus -4. So 5 minus -2 over -5 minus 4. All right, so we put this in our calculator. Give me my calculator. We'll go ahead and put this in exactly how it looks. So control divide. We got 5 minus -2 over -5 minus 4. Hit enter. We get -7 over 9. Okay, so -7 over 9 is my slope. Okay, the slope of that graph. All right. Okay, that was number 1. All right, let's look at number 2. Is the following mapping a representation of a function? So we have -3, -1, 2, and 4 as my x's. Here are my y's. I got 0, 4, and 7. Remember, 3 goes to 0, -3, sorry. -1 goes to 4, 2 goes to 7, and then 4 goes to -4. So remember, I'm looking at my x's, my x values. Every x value goes to only one y value. Okay, so this is a function. Or if you put yes, that's okay also. That's all I was asking for. All right, that was number 2. Number 3. Okay. Number 3 gives us a table and is asking if the table represents a function. So here I got my x and my y's. Got -9, -5, -2, and 2, 4, and 8, and then 11 and 15. So when I have a table, all I'm looking at is my x values here. Okay, if they don't repeat, then that means it's a function. I don't have any that repeat. They're all different. So does the table represent a function? It is yes. So this is a function. Or if you put yes, that's okay also. Okay, that was number 3. Let's look at number 4. Okay, number 4 says solve the equation for x. So we have -11, parentheses, 3x minus 4 equals 187. So remember, I have to multiply everything inside of these parentheses by -11 first. So -11 times 3x becomes -33x. And also -11 times -4 becomes +44 equals 187. So now that I have this, I can solve for x like I usually do. All right, so I take this 44, make the inverse of it, okay, to get this by itself. So -44, -44, make my line. So I'm left with -33x. This Z's out, equals 187 minus 44 is 143. Okay, so once I have the coefficient with the variable, all I do is divide by that coefficient. So divide by negative 33, divide by negative 33. This makes 1. Okay, x equals, I just divide 143 divided by negative 33. 143 divided by negative 33. You're going to get negative 4.33, and it repeats. Okay, so negative 4.33 repeating is my answer. Solving for x, right? Just solving for the variable. Okay, that was number 4. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is to classify negative the square root of 13. So I'm going to do negative, control x squared to get the square root symbol, and then put 13 inside of it. Hit enter. Okay, this equals negative 3.60555. Now, there's no pattern here, and it keeps on going. It stops on the calculator, but it would keep on going. Okay, keep on going on and on and on. So if there's no pattern here and it keeps on going, okay, then that's going to be an irrational number. Irrational. Okay, it's also a real number because real numbers are every number. Okay, but it's irrational and it's a real number. Square root of 13 is not a perfect square, so it would keep on going on forever and ever. All right, that was easy.